Hi everyone, my name is Anish Jogi, your FreeCode Python instructor. Today I'm going to teach you about loops in Python. FreeCode is a non-profit, student-run organization with the goal of educating the youth about programming and STEM concepts. In a world where the importance of these topics is rapidly increasing, we aim to give children a head start in their technical journey and fuel programming passion. Today we're going to be learning in Python. A quick refresher about Python. Python is a programming language that's really easy to read and understand, which is why a lot of beginners start with it. People use Python to build games, websites, and even things like AI. This week, we're going to be talking about loops in Python. In Python, a loop is something you can use to run the same code over and over again. There are two main types of loops. A for loop lets you repeat a certain piece of code a certain number of times, and a while loop lets you repeat code until a condition is met. A for loop is used when you exactly know how many times you want to repeat something. In real life, this is like doing 10 push-ups. You're repeating the same action 10 times. Now, moving on to how to write a for loop. To write a for loop, you have to start with the keyword for, then write I in range. The I is a variable that keeps track of how many times the loop has run. Programmers usually use I, but you can name it anything. If the loop runs 3 times, I will be 3. If it runs 8 times, I will be 8. Then you put the number of times you want the loop to run inside the parentheses next to range and add a colon. Underneath, you write the code you want to repeat and make sure it's indented. Now moving on to while loops. A while loop repeats code until a condition is true. This means it can run a different number of times depending on the situation. In real life, this is like washing a sink until it's clean. You keep repeating the action until the condition changes. To write a while loop, you start with the word while, then write a condition, and add a colon. Underneath, you write the code you want to repeat and indent it. The loop will keep running as long as the condition is true. As a quick refresher, a condition is something that can either be true or false. Conditions use comparison operators like greater than, less than, or equal to, and logical operators like and, or, and not. For example, if you write number 1 is less than number 2, you're checking if that statement is true. If you write boolean 1 and boolean 2, you're checking if both are true. You can use conditions directly in while loops. Every time the loop runs, Python checks the condition again. If the condition is true, the loop keeps going. If the condition is false, the loop stops. For example, if the condition is number 1 is less than number 2, the loop will keep running until that is no longer true. Now let's review. For loops run a code a specific number of times, and you write them using for I in range. While loops run until a condition becomes false, and you write them using while followed by a condition. You can use a for loop when you know how many times you want to repeat something, and a while loop when you only know when to stop. Those are the basics of loops in Python. Now moving to the activity portion. The first part is to write a program that prints the numbers 1 through 20 using a for loop. The second part is to write a program that will ask you for a password, and until the user gets the password right, it will keep asking for that password. This will involve using while loops. Now I will be moving to my collaboratory screen to show the answers. Now, please feel free to pause the video and take a minute to do it by yourself. The first part will be trying to write the for loop where it will print from 1 to 20. So for this, I wrote for I, which is the variable I, in range 20, which will print 20 numbers. Now remember that if you try to print a range of numbers, it'll only go from 0 to 19 because in Python, it doesn't start at 1, it starts at 0. So when I try to print this, I would have to do +1 to shift all the numbers up by 1, which would be from 1 to 20. Now if I press run, it'll print 1 to 20. Now moving to the second part of the portion of the activity part. So now I will create a password variable, which will be empty. Then I will write my while loop. While password not equals. The reason I'm doing not equals is because we want them to not get the password right. If they don't get the password right, then it will run whatever code needs to be run underneath. If they do get it right, it'll fall out of the loop and run the code underneath. So while password not equals, and we can make whatever we want. So for example, I'm going to make it my name. I'm going to make password my name. And then I'm going to add a colon. But remember to add parentheses to ensure that this this logical, this conditional is run correctly. Then I'm going to do print try again, because we want password not to equal Anish. And if password doesn't equal Anish, then it will return true. And then I will do password equal input, and then in the parentheses, what is the password? Now I will do the same thing. I will copy this same line up here, because we want the user to first be able to enter a password for this loop to run. Then if password does equal Anish, then the conditional inside the while loop will be false. So then we would want to print this is the right password. Now if I press start, it'll ask me what the password is. And I'll say, we'll put a random password like joke. Now it'll say try again. Now I'll put the right password, Anish. Now it'll say this is the right password. These are the basics of for loops and while loops in Python. I hope you understood how to effectively use loops within your Python code. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson.